Top of the morning, YouTube. It's Khalil the Mechanic back with another video of consistency, because that was the goal this year, as said in the last video. So here with me today, we have a 2014 Grand Cherokee that we're going to be installing window tint on. Again, very straightforward vehicle. We always like that. It's going to be getting a 5% sun strip on the windshield. The front windows are getting 15%, and the back windows are getting 20% over the factory 20%. So 20 over 20 will give us 4% to be exact, which is basically what you want to put on your windows if you're looking for 5% over your factory tint. If you're not sure what your vehicle has for factory tint, you can always search it up in one of the Facebook groups that involve window tinting. Google. Probably can call the dealer too, but I don't think nobody's calling a dealer to see how dark their windows are. But I think the owner of this car, I think she's gonna come back in the future and get her full windshield tint one day. Her, along with a lot of other people, are scared of the front windshield. One, because it's definitely illegal, but I don't know. Police have been pretty lenient here in Buffalo for the past couple of years, so hopefully they stay like that. But that's one fear. Then people also see that from the outside, it looks very dark. It's black, you can't see it, and you stand there like, wow, that's a 5% windshield. Secret to that is the windshield is not dark at all. What I put on people's windshield is a 35% film, and if you notice, you can see my hand right through that. So you're probably wondering, how do you put such a light film on the windshield and it looks like 5%? Well, answer to that is you can put pretty much anything on the front windshield and it will appear to be dark, as long as the side windows are tinted fairly dark. I would say 20% or darker. But it's kind of an illusion type of thing, and the windshield is more so horizontal as the side windows are vertical. So that also plays a role. And what you're really looking at when you see a black windshield is the reflection of the sky. But if you ever get up on a vehicle and look directly in there with a 35% windshield, you're going to see right through the back of the vehicle. But that's only if you're up on it. So if you're nervous about getting your windshield tinted because you think it's too dark, definitely consider it, because at nighttime, the windshield does not look tinted at all. You would almost forget. But anyways, enough talking, more tinting. I'm about to get the tripod set up and go. Alright, so here we have it. 2014 Grand Cherokee with 15% up front, 20% over the back, which equals out to 4% to be exact, but it gives you the 5% look. If you want to be completely honest, looks really good. And a 5% sun strip. So there we have it. I've always loved the look of black and white. So today's gonna be a pretty slow day. I think probably have one more vehicle on the way. Impala SS. My friend wants his full windshield tinted. So I'm actually waiting for an answer from him right now. But if he says no today, I won't see it in this video. If he says yes, well, we'll see. There's still time left. So yeah. Alright, so the tent job did pull up. Even though we didn't think he was gonna come and shit. Boom, Impala SS. I see the tag at the top, LS4 Nation. Make sure you join the group on Facebook. Check out all the cool cars and the doodle cars. But everybody need love. Whatever. But yeah, check it out. This windshield is getting, what is it getting at? It's getting 35 or 20? 20. Oh, he's getting 20, man. He going to jail. All right, cool. Well, I'm about to spray it down real quick for y'all. Spray it down, clean it up, let it dry. And while we let it dry, we gonna eat some pizza. We got Little Caesars right there. And these working men are hungry. So, stay tuned. I don't even want to be in the video. Nigga's corny, man. Nigga's corny. that. That's a 20% windshield. That shit is redonkulous. Oh! Oh! I see the name at the top, LS4 Nation. Definitely go check that group out. You might see this car in. He don't really post his car often, but damn, that thing perfect. Not one single bubble. You know why? Because I'm nice like that. I am nice like that. All right, so that is all I have for today as far as video content that I'm gonna film. I got one more tint job that's supposed to come in about an hour. 2009 Nissan Altima. It's got 35% on it already, and he wants it removed and retinted with 5%. So that's gonna take me probably about 3 hours or so. And that's a job I just want to zip through. I don't really care for removing tint, so yeah, no film for that. But definitely stay tuned for the next video. I've got the tint job out of the way for the week, so now we just got to find a mechanical job, which is kind of difficult because people seem to forget that I still fix cars, which sometimes is okay because, as you know, I definitely like to tint more than fix cars. So yeah, stay tuned for that content. If you enjoyed this video, definitely drop a like, comment your thoughts, make sure you subscribe so that you're tuned in to the next thing that I upload. And last but not least, comment what type of videos you would like to see me tint, because I tint pretty much every type of car. I get a little bit of everything in the garage. So I'll definitely pick and choose for you guys if you have a preference for what you want to see. And other than that, thanks for watching.